Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common and useful English tense, the present continuous. You might also hear it called the present progressive. It sounds a bit technical, but trust me, it's super simple and you're probably already using it without even realizing. So what exactly is the present continuous? We use it to talk about actions that are happening right now, at this very moment. For example, right now, I am talking to you. You are watching this video. See? It's all about what's happening now. The structure is really easy to remember. All you need is the subject. The verb to be, that's am, is, or are, and then the main verb with an ending. So I am talking. He is listening. They are learning. Simple, right? Let's break it down. For I, we use am. For he, she, and it, we use is. And for you, we and they, we use are. Then just add that ing verb. For instance, she is reading a book, or we are playing a game. We also use the present continuous for temporary situations. Imagine your friend is staying with you for a week. You could say, he is staying with me for a few days. It's not a permanent thing, just for a short period. Or maybe you're working on a special project at work. You could tell your colleague, I'm working on the quarterly report this week. It shows it's a temporary focus. Another cool way to use it is for future plans, especially when they are already arranged. For example, if you have dinner plans with a friend tonight, you can say, I am meeting my friend for dinner tonight. Or, they are flying to Paris next month. It feels more certain and confirmed than just saying, I will meet. Now let's talk about negative sentences. It's just as easy. You just add not after the am is or are. So, I'm not sleeping, he is not watching TV, they are not working. And of course, we love contractions in spoken English. So you, often hear isn't for is not and are not. For example, she isn't coming to the party. What about questions? Simple. Just flip the subject and the verb to be. So he is working becomes is he working? You are listening becomes are you listening? And if you want to ask a WH question, like what, where, or why, just put that at the very beginning. What are you doing? Where is she going? So to recap, use the present continuous for actions happening now, for temporary situations, and for definite future plans. The formula is subject plus ames or plus verbing. It's one of the most practical tenses you can learn. Try to make some of your own sentences in the comments below. What are you doing right now? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.